Hello world, it's Darren Martineau with New Lifestyle Mastery, and right here on this video I'm going to show you how easy it is to create a new sales funnel, as many as you'd like. I'm going to show you an example, one sales funnel that I made real quick here. And so you go to system.io, you're going to create a free account. It's free. You can create your squeeze page, your thank you page. So right here I have one of my squeeze pages that I've created. So we're going to take a look at that. This is what it will look like. This is what I call the affiliate marketing blueprint. Uh, the person will put in their name and email, and then it will redirect them to the thank you page, which is a bridge page. So on the thank you page, I have here, you can put a video, you can click this link, and you can take them to the product. And right now I have this product going to John Christiani's super affiliate system, which is an incredible recurring affiliate program. So if you'd like to create a free sales funnel, this is how easy it is. I'm going to make other videos about all kinds of things. So please subscribe, like, and share with all your friends. And click on the link and join a sales funnel. You get a free sales funnel with the RPM system today. Thank you.